double angle, basta 2L ang combination, that's the double angle. And it's most likely that is truss member, most likely. So we are to determine the design strength only, no? So obviously that's LRM3. And it says there that the double angle is separated by 10 mm gusset plate. No? So separate lang siya, no? But the gusset plate is actually not part of the compression area. So why is that? So if you try to understand, suppose you have here a truss. Your truss member will have gusset plate. Okay. So sa connection sa dini, of course, visible gusset plate ninyo. Very visible siya. Kung kanakita siya ng gawin. But the main compression area is actually, let's just say, dini lang, because this is the critical portion here, because your gusset plate will basically add a portion of the area, but this one, since may gusset plate, so it will have a lesser area compared to this area here. So that's why mas critical to wala na appeal si gusset plate. But the connection is there. No? So the connection is that when you try to look at that structure, you will see that naging gap. And I'm not sure sa overport no kung ba na case, but we can try to look that up no, because may mga double angle sa overport and sa gym ko no, sure po na sa gym nakita ko last week ko no. Hindi lang ko sure no kung na po na gap, but in some cases no na siya. So this is our problem this afternoon. So na gap. And based on the given, your gusset plate is a 10 mm thick plate. Okay? And then for this is 7.5 meters. And it says here base at both ends. So this is a primary example of a compression member, which is presumably a truss member, because your truss is connected at both ends. We are to use 836 steel, and we are going to determine the design strength. Okay, so design strength that is meaning we are going to multiply our PN with our resistance factor, which is 0.9 in the case of compression. Okay. So for compression area, what do we need? Of course, the first thing that we need to do is to determine the slenderness ratio. Okay. So dapat dili siya mula pa so 200, no? So that it will be allowed as a compression member. We have this obviously because it's been, which is 1. We also have L because this is given up, which is 7.5 meters. What we don't know is our R. And our R is given by this equation, R squared equals to I over A. So we do not know this. One, I think we can determine also, no, it's not given, but I think we can determine. Can you look that up?